Hello, my name is Tony E. Clausen, and I'm an expert in human behavior, sales, negotiation, and everything that influences how we take decisions and why we take decisions. I come from the trenches of sales. I am out there where sales is what matters. And I will help you to understand better how you behave when you're in sales and how customers behave when they're in purchase behavior. So what you get when you get to me is over 20 years of experience in human behavior and sales and communication. How we communicate, why we communicate. This is my main experiences. My experiences at your service. I have huge experience in why customers behave like they do, why salespeople behave like they do, and how the market has changed. So today we need new tools in order to navigate in the reality of the sales of today. So you actually get not only my insights into why salespeople behave like they do, why you behave like you do, but also why customers behave like they do. How we can influence that in a positive way without being negative manipulators. How we can help the customer to take decisions faster so that they can decide whether or not they want to buy, because that's often where we have to spend a lot of time in making the customer take a decision. I can also help you understand how to read the customer quicker, to understand what actually influences this specific customer in front of you, and what you can do in order for you to become an even better, not only human being, but also salesperson, because to sell is to help. I'm looking very much forward to giving my experiences and my tools to you and to help you get your sales up. Looking forward to our next meeting.